In this video, I will show you how to check and view your block list on TikTok. Now, for you to do that, you just want to go to your profile. So click on the profile icon on the bottom tab here. Now, what you want to do is to go ahead and click on this menu bar on the top right corner of your TikTok. Click on it and you will be displayed with this small pop-up over here. Now you want to go ahead and click on settings and privacy like so, and on this page you want to click on privacy like so. Now what you just want to do is to scroll down until you find block accounts. You can basically see that here. Now you can just click on it, and on this page TikTok is going to show you all of the accounts on your TikTok block list. So basically these are the accounts that I have blocked in my TikTok. And if you follow the steps I have shared in this particular video, you should be able to see your own block list on your TikTok account. That will be all on today's video, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.